agriculture. Gar, kill, doubled. Agriculture is surplus. Surplus is written on the line. Is A. Dot above the line. Seasonal. Strokes, surplus, N downward L. After N, downward L is used. Work. Right semicircle, downward R, K, full stop. Downward before K, G, M and R, for the sound of W, right semicircle is used. That is why work. So, during the grammar log, during the off season, strokes, surplus, N. Season, that is grammar log. That is when they are not. When also grammar log, they are not. There, involved. They are not engaged. Engage in cultivation. K, L hard, V, shun hook. Cultivation. They do not have. They do not get. Get any income. NK. Any income, full stop. If only the N downward L, the government. This is a shortcut. Dot the government. G is written below the government. Could offer them suitable, surplus T, bill, suitable jobs, J, B, surplus jobs, during again coming, during such, surplus T, times, comma, I am sure, I am sure, they will be, it will be, it, T, L, B, it will be a great, Gerhard, benefit, B, N, F hard, benefit to them, full stop. Social welfare, the social welfare board, surplus, social welfare department, and the industries department, surplus is added, industries department, may be directed, directed. Der K T hard. Directed to prepare. To per P R. Downward R. Downward R is used when no vowel follows. Prepare. Schemes. Schemes. Surplus. KMS. Schemes to provide. To provide per V hook D. Provide adequate. Adequate D qua hard. Adequate remunerative. Adequate remunerative. Downward R. M ner T V hook. Remunerative. Jobs. J B surplus. Jobs to the agriculturist. Gar, curl, stilu, then surplus is also added. This is a plural. Agriculturists and their families. F M L surplus. Families. Okay. Study well. Then I read it. Agriculture is a seasonal work. So, during the off season, that is when they are not engaged in cultivation, they do not get any income. If only the government could offer them suitable jobs during such time, I am sure it will be a great benefit to them. The Social Welfare Department and the Industries Department may be directed to prepare schemes to provide adequate remunerative jobs to the agriculturists and their families. Practice minimum 20 times, then only you can write this way. Please share, like, and comments.